In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Lycamobile Esim using a QR code. By the end, you'll have your mobile service set up and ready to go without needing a physical SIM card. First, check your email. After purchasing your plan, Lycamobile sends a confirmation message that includes your eSIM QR code. Open that email and make sure you can clearly see the QR code. If you're watching on your phone, it can help to open the email on another device like a laptop or tablet so you can scan the code easily. If you don't see the email in your inbox, take a quick look in your spam or promotions folder. Keep that QR code visible and zoomed in so your camera can read it cleanly. Next, connect your phone to Wi-Fi. You'll need a stable internet connection to download and install the eSIM profile, so make sure Wi-Fi is turned on and working before you start scanning. Staying connected to Wi-Fi throughout the setup helps the activation process go smoothly. Now, scan the QR code. On iPhone, open Settings, tap Cellular, then Add Cellular Plan. Your camera will open so you can scan the QR code from the email. Hold your phone steady, let it recognize the code, and follow the on-screen prompts to add the plan. If you see options to label the plan or set it as default for calls or data, choose what fits your needs. You can always adjust these later in settings. On Android, open Settings, then go to Connections. From there, tap SIM Manager or Mobile Network and choose Add Mobile Plan or Add eSIM. When prompted, scan the QR code from the email, confirm the download and installation of the eSIM profile, and follow any extra prompts your device shows. If your screen asks about preferred SIM for data or calls, select the option that matches how you plan to use the line. After scanning, wait for activation. You'll usually see a status like activating or connecting. This process typically completes within about 15 minutes. Keep Wi-Fi on and avoid closing settings while it finishes. Once it's active, you may be prompted to restart your phone. If you are, go ahead and restart to finalize the setup. If it doesn't activate after 15 to 20 minutes, try rescanning the QR code from the email, making sure the image is clear and well lit. If you still have trouble, contact Lycamobile support for assistance. That's it. With your eSIM installed and activated, you're ready to use your Lycamobile service.